Hold on. We're not ready. You want me to jump in, though? Yeah, underneath. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
In this video, we're going to show you how we made this 50-foot concrete bar and what made it so challenging. Normally a bar this size we would pour in place, but the whole remodel of this restaurant had to be done within a week, so we poured them in our shop a few weeks before. We used melamine for the forms and fiberglass rebar, Decocrete 5000 with the TruePack C for the concrete. For the integral color we used ash pigment. We left them in the form so we could move them safely, but the anticipation to see them finished was killing us. Each slab weighed about 500 pounds. It took 6 guys to lift each one into place. Once they were all resting on the base, we went through shimming and leveling until everything sat perfectly. We filled the imperfections with a coat of black grout. We've done this in the past. It's held up well and we like the way it looks. We used Decocrete's water-based black stain and rock top matte sealer. We rolled it on with a foam roller. The last step was fitting these pieces of walnut between each slab. If you want to learn more about our process, please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Oh my God, I'm just playing with them now, yeah. Oh my God, what she saying, say it loud, yeah. I can't respect it, I'm in the gym, but I am not flexing. Came from a Ford, I'm needing a Lexus. Shooting like Luke, I told him I'm next, shit. Oh my God, I'm just playing with them now, yeah. Oh my God, what she saying, say it loud, yeah. I can't respect it, I'm in the gym, but I am not flexing. Came from a Ford, I'm needing a Lexus. Shooting like Luke, I told him I'm next, shit. I got a ball, I told them I'm here, I'm not waiting for y'all. They hit my phone, but I ignore the call. I got the drive and I see that they stop. I bought a whip and I paid it in cash.